Sides. So I am gonna bring to you a clip of me and CS:GO. I want to start doing some more CS:GO videos. It is a 1v5 clutch ace on Cash, and I want to show you guys this just because I'm nuts at the game. So check it out. Here we go.
Play retake, I'm coming.
I'm at 8. He just would me.
Headshot.
Shit. Oh god.
Nice though.
He's in.
Bruh. One behind him. What a dick.
Back.
He's got
Oh my god.
One taps.
Play together. Play together. Just chill in the corner.
I just need to grab the tack.
He has bomb too, doesn't he?
Yeah.
He's in A, main, come.
You get knifed, 100%. One rotated, one should be sight.
Nice to both of them. Well,
Talking to you guys if you guys have team speak with him. He's gonna plant B.
Come drop again over
You
here.
know he made a noise. Oh my god. And that was good. He made a noise, he heard purple and rotated back to B. Planning now, 100%.
Let's go.
Or he's just waiting for the rotate. He's in my head. He's in my head. Both?
Yeah.
he's A.
Grab at the same time.
Yeah, you think he's A. I'm not convinced. It could be A.
No, that's a fake bomb.
Yeah, big bomb.
Oh shit, what?
Free. Oh my god, he's gonna dome headshot! No!
How do we lose that?
Money millionaire, tougher than Nigerian hair. My criteria compared to your career just isn't fair. I'm a venereal disease, like a menstrual bleed through the pencil and leak on the sheet of the tablet in my mind. Cause I don't write shit.